Elena Blevins spends much of her time helping others. She's a home health aide, cares for her mother, and helps her daughter with her 2 young grandchildren.
The thing I like to do is to help others. So I would say that's me in a nutshell.
6 years ago, after discovering a lump in her right breast, Elena was forced to put herself first, but it took her some time to face her fears.
I thought maybe it was a cyst of some sort, so I didn't think it was a big deal.
Elena, who is Tohono O'odham, scheduled an appointment with the Indian Health Service at the Phoenix Indian Medical Center when the lump didn't go away. It would be the first in a series of medical appointments that would bring together experts from the Phoenix Indian Medical Center and Mayo Clinic.
Elena was diagnosed with what is called triple-negative breast cancer. That's a form of breast cancer in which there's no expression of estrogen receptor, no expression of progesterone receptor, and no overexpression of the HER2 protein. As it turns out, is a much more challenging type of cancer to treat. Again, because we lack a specific target to address with our treatment.
Elena says she cried when she heard the news. The hardest part was telling her children at the time of her diagnosis.
And then I just kept saying, we're gonna be okay, or I'm gonna be okay. And then we were just crying, that's what I remember on the bed. And then I was telling them that we had to all be strong.
Dr. Northfelt first met Elena on his weekly Wednesday rounds at the Phoenix Indian Medical Center. As part of Mayo Clinic's contract with the Indian Health Service, Mayo Clinic physicians have been providing hematology and consultative services to patients with cancer at the Phoenix Indian Medical Center for more than a decade. The collaboration allows Phoenix Indian Medical Center patients like Elena to access specialty care at Mayo, including cutting-edge clinical trials offered at Mayo.
It's a collaborative effort and, a group agreement. The advantage is you have 4 or 5 oncologists looking at your case and deciding together what's the best treatment option.
We enrolled Elena in a study here at Mayo Clinic which was called the Beauty Trial.
They did a really thorough job of explaining it, and then I thought, well, I could help people and it would help me, so to me it was a win-win.
Following the preoperative chemotherapy, she had what was left of the lump removed from her breast, and she had sampling of the lymph nodes in her armpit on that side. All the cancer was gone. Great, we were very grateful to find out. And she went forward after that with conventional postoperative whole breast radiotherapy. Since that time, she's been observed. It's been almost 5 years now, and she remains cancer-free.
Elena credits her strong faith and support of her friends and family for getting her through. She says she's also grateful to her Mayo Clinic and Phoenix Indian Medical Center care teams for the care she received.
It really made me feel important and like loved. It was like a huge team, and we became like a big family. So when you have that, and you do feel like you matter, then it makes you want to get better. It makes you fight even more.